One thing I noticed is that a lot of people I've worked with spend a lot of time trying to learn how to make more money, which is not a bad thing, right? But then they spend zero time at learning how to keep that money, which is a very bad thing. They work harder, they grow, they make more money, but somehow they still never feel further ahead. Listen, progress shouldn't just disappear out of the blue. Another thing that I've noticed from selling thousands of physical and digital products is that revenue doesn't equal freedom. You can make a lot of money very fast, but if you don't learn how to manage your expenses well, then you're still stuck. If you don't understand your numbers, or if you don't track your numbers, you can make a boatload of money, but if your expenses grow along the way, then you might not keep any of it. Here's the good thing. You don't need to double your income overnight. You just need to start tracking your numbers, get an understanding of the bigger picture of the whole business, and little by little, you can optimize your whole cash flow with it. You should always approach building businesses with profit in mind, because at the end of the day, profit is what will give you freedom and not creating more revenue. This is a very, very big difference, and a lot of people get this wrong. I've seen businesses making boatloads of money, and some of these business owners only got to keep 5% of the overall revenue. That is not a good place to be in, because you have to create insane amounts of money to be able to make insane amounts of profit. A way better way to approach this is to create a way leaner business where you have less overhead and therefore you can keep more of the revenue that you're actually generating. So the thing is, you shouldn't just make more money for the sake of making more money. You shouldn't just make more money to have more money to spend it on things that you don't even want or need just to impress other people. You should always try to create more money with a higher goal in mind, which could be to create yourself freedom. On that note, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one. Peace out, rock and roll.